Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is AbsolutelySha. Welcome to my channel. By the title, you know that I am going to share with you my Spring Fab Fit Fun box. So, if you like to see unboxings and you want to see what I got for Fab Fit Fun, make sure you stick around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into what I received for the Spring Fab Fit Fun box. All right, so if you are unfamiliar with Fab Fit Fun, it's pretty much a seasonal box, subscription box that you receive each season. So you receive a fall, a winter, a spring, and a summer box. It costs, I believe, $49.99, but you don't pay that each and every month. You just pay it each season. So I think it's a pretty cool subscription box to get. They really do send you really, really nice items. I do believe you have the option to maybe select a few items, but I never do. I just like to be surprised and see what they pick for me. But yeah, so this is my spring box, and I'm super excited. It just came today, and I'm like, oh, what did I get? So let's see. What did I get? So again, in each Fab Fit Fun box, you get, this is a postcard. And so basically I can gift it to someone, and there's a code on the back of it where they can get $15 off their first Fab Fit Fun box. So yeah. So this is really cute. So I have a card, a gift that I can give someone. Ooh, they give you pretty stickers. Look how pretty these are. I love these. I'll probably put these all over my journal or something. Yeah, so you get spring themed stickers. They also give you the magazine, and inside the magazine, they have different articles. And then there's also a guide in here where they tell you what's in the box. So I'll be following this to tell you what it is I received, and also I'll be sharing with you what the retail value is for each of the items that I received. So I'll be referring back to that. And, oops, so I'm just taking out the paper here. And so let's see what else. They always send you this HelloFresh coupon code that you use. So they send this like every season. You get a HelloFresh one. And I don't even know where to begin. Can you guys see? Like, look, I don't even know where to begin. So let's see. Let me start with this. So it says it's a hair scarf set, and it's from Lark and Eyes. So let me see if I can quickly skim the magazine to see what the retail value of it is. Let's see here. Sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, so it's a hair scarf bundle. The value of it is $30. It says the scarf can be wrapped around your ponytail or a bun, or you can tie them onto your handbag as an accessory. I've always wanted like to do that. I think it's so cute. So this is a cute packaging that it comes in. And the retail value of this is $30. Excuse my nails. I'm going to get them done literally after I record this video. I'm going to get them done. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. So this is one of the scarves. So you can tie it, it says around your ponytail or a bun, or you can tie this on your purse. I think it's so cute when they're on purses. I'm sorry, I'm just anal about folding things back the way they are. Excuse me. But yeah, and then you also get this one. Oh, so you get two of them. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I tell you, I love Fab Fit Fun. I never, ever, ever get disappointed. No, there's always something in the box that I'm always like, oh, literally. So These are gorgeous. I love these. I love these. I love those. I love those. Okay, so let me pull out this. So this is Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscious Moisturizing Hand Scrub. Oh my God, I will be using this. So it's a moisturizing hand scrub and is elderflower and raspberry. And it's a hand scrub. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So it says the perfect solution to soften your hands, feet, and elbows without drying them out. So you can also use this on your feet and elbows. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of this is $15. I'm excited about that. All right, next thing is, this is sayhello.com. And let me see what these are. So this is, oops, sorry guys. I thought I just saw it. Okay, so this is a reusable beauty rounds. It's 3 packs. So ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So let's open them up. This is amazing. I just want to see what they, look like. Ooh, so yeah. And it's so soft, but this is what they are. So they're reusable cotton rounds to use. And you just machine wash them warm. They're so soft. Oh my God. All right, so I love that. That's really, really nice. Really, really nice. And what did I say the retail value of those was? $15 for those. So that's exciting. All right, so next I have this Joy Javreki. And so it looks like it is a ring. So let me flip and see. Yes. So the retail value of this is $75. So it's a hexagon shaped ring, which fits ring sizes 6 through 8. Wow. So let me take it out. $75 for this, guys. What? Oh, look at me. Look how I opened it. Terrible. Oh, how hard could it be to open up a bag, a plastic bag? It can't be that difficult. And I'm legit like struggling right now trying to open it. Like, y'all should see me. Why can't I get it open? Oh my gosh, where's my scissors? I'm just gonna have to cut it open. Cause I'm legit like having difficulty. Listen, it totally is probably me and not the packaging. It's probably me. All right, so let's take it out and let's see what it looks like outside of the packaging. So this is what it comes in. And then this is the ring. I don't know if you can all see it, but this is the ring. I'm gonna try to put it on so you all can see. Maybe I'll just put it on my index finger, but yeah, this is the ring. So it's a hexagon ring. I think it's pretty. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. Really, really pretty. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, I like that. I might keep that on through the whole thing. But yeah, so the retail value of this is $75. Cutesy. Super cute. Okay. So that's that one. So how many items did I do? So I did 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items so far. All right, let's see. So this is Tweezers with Pouch Summer Rose. And let me see what the retail value of this is. Let's see. It is $20. $20 is the retail value for this. So let's take it out the packaging. And let's see what it is. If I could get it out the packaging. Oops. All right. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the tweezers, and then it comes in a cute little pouch. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. I love that. That's really, really cute. Okay, so that's my 5th item. That's my 5th item. All right, let's go. Oh my word, look at this. Tech Candy UV Sanitizer. Got 5 minutes, let's go to battle with the germs. Do you know how I literally was gonna order one of these off of Amazon? So cute. Oh my gosh, let's see what the retail value of this is. Oh my gosh, it's hard for me to flip the page. Sorry. Retail value of this is $60. I'm so excited about this. So excited about this. So this is the retail value of this is $60. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And so you just, it opens like this, and then it has the directions inside. Yeah. And then it comes with a USB cord. Oh, I'm so excited. I literally was gonna order one of these off of Amazon, and now I don't have to. This is why you gotta get Fab Fit Fun. Look at all of these amazing things that you get from them. Like, and this isn't just like, you know, leftover Christmas gifts. This is a good box. Oh my gosh. Okay, next is, ooh. You are not gonna believe that I literally have some slippers just like this, and I ordered them off of Amazon, and I was thinking like, oh, I'm gonna order another pair because the slippers I order off of Amazon is so comfortable. But anyway, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I got another pair of slippers. Okay, so I have these cute pink slippers. And let's see, so these slippers are from Josie Martin, no, sorry, and these are from Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink. The retail value of these are $48. I'm so excited about those slippers, and I think I've come to the last item. I'm not sure what this is. Sometimes it's not an item, but sometimes it is. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. So cute. This is so cute. And it's a 21-ounce Cactus Cup, and it's from Pink Sky. This is so cute. Let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of this is $20. $20. So yeah, I got some really cute things, and I think you guys should totally try them out if you haven't already. Give them a try. So let's just see how many full-size items I got in this box. So I got 1, I got 2, I got 3, I got the ring, which is 4, I got the hand scrub, 5, I got the scarf, 6, I got the cotton rounds, 7, and I got the slippers, 8. So I received 8 items in my spring Fab Fit Fun box. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my very next video. Bye.